The secret of change is to focus all of your energy not on fighting the old, but on building the new. Each year's regrets are enveloped in which message of hope are found for the new year. In order to be successful in the new year, stay focused, develop a positive attitude, and be passionate with your dreams. In our perfect ways, in the way we are beautiful, in the ways we are human, we are here. Happy New Year's. Let's make it ours. We will open the book. Its pages are blank. We are going to put words on them ourselves. The book is called Opportunity, and its first chapter is New Year's Day. Approach the new year with resolve to find the opportunities hidden in each new day. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Celebrate endings for they precede new beginnings. Cheers to a new year and another chance for us to get it right. Every moment is a fresh beginning. No matter how hard the past, you can always begin again. Write it on your heart that every day is the best day in the year. Be the change you wish to see in the world. It is not in the stars to hold our destiny, but in ourselves. A new year is like a blank book, and the pen is your chance to write a beautiful story for yourself. In the new year, never forget to thank to your past years because they enabled you to reach today. Without the stairs of the past, you cannot arrive at the future. Be mindful, be grateful, be positive, be true, be kind. You may be 1% to the world, but you may also be the world to 1%. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Change your commitments and not the calendar. Change your attitude and not the actions. Years come and pass, but what it takes to make it them worthwhile is someone's unconditional love and wonderful memories. Never underestimate the power you have to take your life in a new direction. Set new clear goals and world thoughts strategies. Thank you.